Hello everyone, this is TobeTada with another video of crypto trading. Thanks for checking by and let's dive right in. So let's see what the Bitcoin movement did over the last 24 hours. And yesterday we made a video about what was likely going to happen. And as you can see, these black arrows are still from yesterday here, and you can see the price indeed went exactly down to the 5,000 mark, a little bit lower, down to 4,870 about, and then again rebounded to about 5,000, and that is exactly what we were predicting. So I'm happy to make another confirmation here, and we can look at why this happened. The reasoning behind this 5,000 support line was basically, first of all, we had here a support coming from back in November of 2018, and also of course we had a support coming from the recent movement here, which indicated a support at 5,000. Now this movement did indeed not carry on upwards. As you can see here, we could have also reached up to 5,400 or 5,500 mark, but as we were pointing out, the movement here has had a significant effect upwards here. So we had a gain of about 30%, and normally that means that we're going to have more or less a major correction back downwards again. So while I'd still say that we're in a coming out from the bear market, it would be naive to say that we're going to see increases of 40, 50, 60% now. It doesn't mean that there's still a possibility of the movement going upwards again, which I think will happen, but in the short to mid-term, it definitely seems we're going to have, and as we've seen, we had this correction. And now, as you can see, we also have this second line here indicating that we might have a upward movement again to maybe 5,100, and I'm expecting here a further correction down to 4,600, and this is going to be met by another support coming from basically back in November, December of last year, which is going to be very strong in my opinion. And you can see that we can also draw a horizontal line in here, which basically is very important for this movement to hold here. If it reaches below 4,600, it would indicate at least a sideways movement in the long term, that we're basically going this way. If we are basically holding this area here, it means that we're going to be going further upwards here, and so that's somewhat of a more long-term perspective, but I think the short to mid-term is that we're indeed still in this correction here. So that was basically the update here, and I'm going to make another video about other crypto coins and how they relate to the Bitcoin movement. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So thanks for checking by, and see you next time.